Hello, my name is Nicole Motlach, and I'm going to be explaining the benefits of art therapy. This is my audience. Yes. All right. So I will be explaining the creative, freeing benefits of art therapy. Sometimes people can go through something so traumatic or difficult that words are not enough. Or there are some people who have a very difficult time expressing themselves through words. Sometimes it takes drawing it out or using certain colors or shapes that allows the person to understand themselves and the situation better. Growing up with chronic pain, I've always had a difficult time because not being able to see the pain made it worse. It felt like I was going crazy. After a few years, I started doing art to express the pain, and I was feeling very freeing, and I felt like I saw what was happening. Everyone goes through hard times, so to be able to express that in a different way allows you to not only understand yourself better, but expand yourself is quite freeing. I am majoring in graphic design and I have done art practically my whole life. As I got older, I realized that art was my outlet. I also deal with an invisible disability, so I can vouch for myself that it has helped me a great deal. With the use of art as therapy, an individual allows themselves to expand their feelings and thoughts from audio to visual. It allows a person to see what they're feeling, go through a memory safely, and use their energy creatively. Art has so many benefits that could help everyone. Everyone goes through issues, big or small. A lot of times, words aren't enough and could be too harsh and triggering. Very Well Mind explains the history of art therapy by saying art therapy started in the 1940s. Doctors noted that individuals suffering from mental illness often express themselves in drawings and other artworks, which led to many explore the use of art as a healing strategy. Since then, there are flies. Since then, art has become an important part of the therapeutic field and is used in some assessment of treatment techniques. Just like how just like how children use dolls in therapy to express what happens in their home life, art has the same effect. It helps the individuals separate themselves from the situation and see clearly. Rolling Hills Hospital states that many patients who were unable to describe the conflicting and strong emotions verbally, found that they could bring their feelings together with one image in art therapy. While going through your issues, your art therapist will also help you see the beauty in the future, present, and your life in general. Art can help you go through difficult memories safely and map out your future. Some memories are too traumatic to go back to, so an artistic rendition can help a person ease into it. Rolling Hills Hospital also states art therapy can provide an opportunity to explore behavior and choices in a safe way, giving patients the opportunity and practice alternative responses and behavior. There are so many different types of things and traumas that need to be handled with care and sensitivity, and art allows the person to go at their own pace and everything is their choice. Psychology today states art therapy helps children, adolescents, and adults explore their emotions, improve self-esteem, and manage addictions, relieve stress, improve symptoms of anxiety and depression, and cope with a physical illness or disability. To grow as a human, you must suffer, and art allows you to find yourself without words, just understanding. Art can allow you to learn deeper things about yourself and to grow as a human being creatively. People have been doing art for years to help them understand the world around them. Career Explorer explains how art therapists can help people who are struggling with memories or emotional results from abuse, combat, cancer, and many more. Clients do not need to be talented or artistic in order to experience the benefits of art therapy. An art therapist's job is not to teach or critique the artwork. It is their job to, however, help the person understand the underlying issues within the art. With the use of art as a therapy, an individual allows themselves to expand their feelings and thoughts from audio to visual. It allows a person to see what they're feeling, go through a memory safely, and use their energy creatively. It can allow people to heal trauma, see the turmoil inside them, and grants clarity for some situations. We all fear that we are not good enough, and a lot of people show that fear in art. Many people don't even try because they think that they will fail or the art is just not good enough to be seen. But through practice, just like anything, finding your art style can be very exciting, and art can be very exciting, whether you show it to people or not. Sorry. Your art is an extension of your soul, no matter how silly it is. Treat it with the respect you deserve, it deserves, and you will be surprised what it gives you back. Thank you so much, and I hope you learned a lot, and I apologize for the flies.